I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let me show you how to turn on or switch on this watch. Now on the side, you have three buttons. So this upper button, also called the home button, is what you use to turn on the watch. So just press and hold that button until you see the Samsung logo, and then you can let go and allow the watch to boot. Now, if you press this button or the home button many times and it's still not going on, then you might have a problem with the battery level. So the battery level of the watch might have gone too low for you to start the watch. So go ahead and use the charger that comes in the box, connect it to a power source on this side. It could be your laptop, it could be a charging brick, or it could be even your phone. And then put the phone to charge and let it charge for about 30 minutes, and then try to boot it up or try to turn it on. Okay, but that is basically how to turn on the watch. Just long press on this home button. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.